Welcome to my kitchen! Today, on Cooking Show at Home, we're making crispy on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside crispy eggplant fries. They're an excellent substitute for French fries, healthier, and very quick to make. Serve them with a homemade garlic yogurt dipping sauce, and you've got a perfect appetizer or snack. You'll find the list of ingredients on the screen and in the video description below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to support my channel. Let's get started. First, peel the eggplant. You can use a knife, but a vegetable peeler makes the job quicker and easier. After peeling, make lengthwise cuts from about 1 inch below the stem, spacing them 1 inch apart. Then, rotate the eggplant 90 degrees and repeat the cuts in the same way. This will give you a brush shape with square strips attached at one end. Next, fill a large bowl with cold water. Dissolve the tablespoon of salt. And submerge the eggplant strips. Leave them for 10 to 15 minutes. This helps remove any bitterness. While the eggplant is soaking, prepare your dredging station. You'll need 2 deep bowls. In the first, combine about 1 cup of breadcrumbs with 2 tablespoons of potato starch. Half teaspoon garlic powder, and half teaspoon paprika. Mix well. In the second, crack in the 2 eggs. Whisk thoroughly. Then whisk in 1 teaspoon sour cream. Remove the eggplant from the salted water and pat it dry with paper towels, gently squeezing out excess water. Coat the strips in the breadcrumb starch mixture first. Then dip them into the egg mixture. And finally coat them again in the seasoned breadcrumbs. Heat a frying pan with about 1 tablespoon butter and 2 tablespoons olive oil. This combination is more heat tolerant and less likely to burn. Place the coated eggplant in the hot oil in a single layer. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes on medium-high heat. Then flip and fry the other side for another 3 to 4 minutes until golden and crispy. When done, transfer the eggplant to a paper towel-lined plate to remove excess oil. Serve on a plate, drizzle with fresh lemon juice, and sprinkle with freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Optionally, serve with a garlic yogurt dipping sauce and garnish with fresh dill. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more homemade recipes.